Hey everyone, I'm here to talk about how to get that very luxurious hotel feeling right in your very own bedroom. I'm here in Las Vegas this week in this beautiful hotel room. I'm staying at the Encore Wynn Hotel and Casino, and it's a beautiful bedroom, and I thought I would give you some tips on how to recreate this luxurious feeling in your very own bedroom. First thing you need is a monochromatic color scheme. Pick a pale color that is relaxing to you and go with it. So in this case, we have beige and cream and yellow and gold with a little bit of black detailing. Now that you have a monochromatic palette, you need to add texture to increase the luxury factor. So in this case, we have various different types of wallpaper on the walls. That adds a lot of texture. Some of them are a little bit bolder and have pattern to them. Others are a little bit more subtle and mostly read like texture. The important thing is that you have various different textures throughout the space. We also have different types of flooring. So we have stone flooring in one area as well as carpeting throughout the rest of the space. We have linens and we have drapery. Putting all of those textures together really adds a lot to the space. It gives it a little bit more intrigue. It's definitely much more interesting than just flat paint throughout. And even though you don't necessarily have to have 5 different wallpapers like we do here, that's mainly done for cleanability. But even if you pick 1 or 2 walls in your bedroom and add texture or pattern to that wall, that will add a lot of interest to the space and add to that luxurious hotel feeling that you're looking for. The third thing that you need is accessories. You don't need a lot of accessories, but hotels are great at finding accessories that are larger in scale, but within the same color palette. So all of the lighting that you see here in this space is all very monochromatic. It's all in the cream and white and linen and gold color scheme. Even the artwork reflects a lot of that monochromatic feeling. So even though the artwork is very graphic, it's still within the same color palette. And I love the scale of the accessories. So like the 2 lamps on either side of the headboard, even though they're very large and dramatic, they are still in keeping with the color scheme. And the last thing that you need is drapery. Every good hotel room will have blackout drapes. Very important for a good night's sleep. If you want some tips on how to design your bedroom for your best night's sleep, I have a video and I will link it below. These drapery panels I absolutely love because again, they're adding texture to this space by being fabric, but on top of that, they're a beautiful bold stripe, and I love the black band across the bottom. Again, all in keeping with the color scheme. And then as if the drapes weren't enough, they've added black sheers. I love adding sheers to any kind of drapery within a bedroom because it's nice to have that flexibility of light coming through your windows and still giving you some privacy. So that's what the sheers do. They add privacy and yet they still allow light through. So by adding all of those elements together, you too can have a very luxurious bedroom feel in your very own home. Thanks for watching this little design tip. I'll have lots more design tips just like this one coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have any design questions for bedroom design or any other kind of interior design questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you soon.